And welcome back. It's getting back on track now. Olympic and World Championship medalist Sherone Simpson is to retire from the sport of track and field. The 35-year-old announced her retirement in an exclusive interview with the TVJ's Sports Network on Wednesday. Karen Madden reports.
At her best, the former Manchester high-end MVP athlete clocked 10.82 seconds over 100 meters and 22 seconds flat over 200 meters. Simpson has won medals in every global event, including a historic double silver for Jamaica when she crossed the line in joint second in the 100 meters with countrywoman Karen Stewart at the 2008 Beijing Olympic Games. She was also part of a gold medal sprint relay team at the Athens Games in 2004 and a silver medal team at the 2012 London Olympic Games. The Manchester High School standout also has a collection of World Championship medals, striking a sprint relay gold medal in Beijing in 2015, silver in 2011, and another silver in 2005. Simpson has also collected 2 gold medals at the 2006 Commonwealth Games in Melbourne, with an individual medal over 200 meters and another in the 4x100 meter relay. Her career has also seen her at the top of the podium at the Continental Cup, the Pan Am Games, and the CAC Games. Despite a blimp on her career when she tested positive for a banned stimulant for which she received an 18-month suspension, which was later lifted by the Court of Arbitration for Sport, Simpson remains one of Jamaica's most decorated athletes. At 32 years old, Simpson took a year off in 2016 to give birth to her daughter, Liana. Since then, she switched camps, moving to the Maurice Wilson-coached Sprintec Track Club, and though she showed glimpses of her previous form, resulting in her making the 2019 World Relays team, she has struggled to return to the top of her game. Simpson, who made her debut as a track and field analyst last year, says it's now time to hang up her spikes.
I decided to retire because I gave it my all for the 2019 season. Did not get the results I expected, and also now I have to focus on my daughter who has just started preschool, so I really want to be there for all her day-to-day activities and try as best to be more involved.
She also gave an insight into areas she will consider in her life after track and field.
I really want to go back to school to study psychology. I really have a passion for helping the young athletes. I have been doing quite a few motivational assignments, and I love engaging with the young athletes, or young people on a whole. And also I thoroughly enjoyed working as a sports analyst during the World Championships, and that is a field that I would definitely want to continue in.
And you can hear the full interview with Sherone Simpson during TVJ SN's On the Sidelines. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.